Stop! Stop! Oh my gosh, it's disgusting. No! This is the most disgusting thing ever. See, if you owned like a skin business or something like that, or something about taking care of skin, you could just do a video like this. People will love it. They'll dig it. Look, this has 343,000 likes and 3,000 comments on it. People love this. That's what I'm telling you. You need to get on TikTok because of this stuff. So big shots, welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel Ford and I help motivated entrepreneurs master the strategies of YouTube for their business so that they can get fresh leads and profits. Make sure that you subscribe down below so you can never miss a video on actually growing your YouTube channel. Quite recently, Gary Vaynerchuk has been talking a lot about the app called TikTok.
You know, Tila Tequila and Dane Cook. They held on to MySpace too long. You know, Hollywood. All the actors and actresses that didn't want to go on Instagram 4 years ago because they thought they were cool shit are now like, uh-oh. Striking a platform while it's hot matters way more than if that platform actually exists in a decade.
So what is TikTok? TikTok is basically a little similar to Vine. It's an app that came out about 3 years ago and it combined with Musical.ly, another app. I love that video clip at the beginning of this video with Gary Vee talking about TikTok, how people are probably making fun of it now. What I'm saying is that this app is probably the next big thing. So get on something hot right now, so that way if it does go big and everyone starts scrambling to this platform, you're not late to the show. So as of 2019, TikTok is actually the fastest growing app. It has over 500 million users, which is insane. That's a lot of untapped potential that you could use there. And eventually it could turn into an app just as big as Instagram or Facebook. And I would say the increasing popularity of TikTok right now probably has to do a little bit with Gary Vaynerchuk. I checked out Google Trends recently and the amount of popularity that TikTok has gotten recently about the topic of business has shot up exponentially. So what do you think, big shots? Comment down below. Do you think TikTok is the new Instagram? TikTok is a little bit unique because it stands out from the rest of other social media platforms. So let's dive into TikTok right now. What sort of things can I do or can you do for your business to actually promote your business and to drive traffic to your YouTube channel? Okay, so jumping into the TikTok app, you'll immediately notice that this app is actually made for teenagers. It has a lot of different types of videos. You can just swipe up and look at different things that people are doing. It's primarily used for sketches, for lip syncing, and all this fun little stuff. So one of the first things you can do to grow your business is you could do challenges on here. If you go to the Discover page, you can see that they have different challenges that are trending typically. So green screen video, so this means that you probably have to do a green screen video, cozy little Christmas. So different hashtags in here are primarily around different challenges that they have going on. Okay, for example, this guy right here, when an office fan hears an opportunity, that's what she said. So this is a really popular trend right now and it's a challenge. And it's basically when you come home with bad grades and then they do something funny where they jump in the air with 3 words. So the hashtag is 3 words. So besides challenges, it's great if you have like a craft-based business or something, or a service-based business, you could do like DIY, and DIY channels are super huge on TikTok right now. So coming on here, you can see people are doing fun things with their DIY channel. So if you have like a DIY channel on here, you could definitely just showcase some of the different skills that you have and talents. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. Angro hair removal. See, look, this has 343,000 views. See, I'm telling you, oh, no, stop, oh my gosh, it's disgusting, no, it's disgusting, this is so gross, it's disgusting. Unless you want to see it.
No, I don't want to see it.
Ingro hair removal. This is the most disgusting thing ever. See, if you owned like a skin business or something like that, or something about taking care of skin, you could just do a video like this, Ingro hair removal. People will love it. They'll dig it. Look, this has 343,000 likes and 3,000 comments on it. People love this. That's what I'm telling you. You need to get on TikTok because of this stuff. So yes, you could definitely do something like that for your channel. Yeah, this one's really cool. Backyard roller coaster. They're showcasing their different designs and different things that they make. So you could just do stuff like this on TikTok. This stuff goes viral all the time on here. So this is super good for DIY channels. So another way that you can actually tease people on your channel is you can create conversation, and you can do this by putting fun little facts on on your videos to get people to like them. So for example, this one, crush facts. Do you really love him/her? Here's how to tell. Another thing that you could do are leaving teasers on TikTok, kind of like how you put on Facebook or Instagram. You just put a short 10 or 15 second of your YouTube video on TikTok, and then at the end of the video, just put a text that says, if you want to see more, go to this link on your YouTube channel. You could even put the link for that in the bio, but TikTok as well allows you to link directly to your YouTube channel so people can go and check that out as well. So this is a really good example of how you can actually post teasers on TikTok. This is basically a doctor, and he posts his little teasers on here. And if you go back over to his page, you can see how many followers he has and how many likes he has. This guy has about 30,000 followers and 286,000 likes on his videos. He's a YouTuber, and it's great because on here, he's basically posting tips. Look at this one. He has investing 101 people, individual investors who consistently beat the market. So he does something funny, just pointing up at the quote, getting people's attention and letting people think about the quote and watch his video because he does funny faces. And looking at his videos, you can see he has consistently on these ones, 1,000, 2,000 views. He's getting all these videos. This one has 24,000 views on it. This is wealthy people make their money, then invest it. So he just puts little quotes on here. So you could easily do something funny like this. He's come up with a unique way. And if you look at his channel, all his shots are pretty similar that he's using. Think about doing something like this for your channel, just by posting quotes up there. I've seen other channels on here similar to this, where they're just up there and they're talking on their channel. They're talking on TikTok, giving advice, just like this guy is doing. Or another thing you could do for your business on TikTok is you could create a poll. For example, on this video right here, will you kill me for $1 million? Ew, yes, no, I love you. So you can basically click on the button right here. So this is really nice because people scan through videos, people love to participate in polls. So polls are a really good way to grow your channel. You should check out Elise Dharma's channel, which I'll link right here. She gives a great example of how you can use polls to grow your business on TikTok. Okay, so moving away from all the teasers, all the polls, and everything else that we just talked about, I want to talk about some key components for actually getting seen on TikTok. So it's not just about making your videos and posting them on there. And you all know this from watching my channel that it's not just about that as well for YouTube. So an important part of using TikTok is using hashtags. Now, I would say that hashtags are a little bit like using tags. Now, TikTok, just like YouTube, has an algorithm as well. And the way that it can know where to put your video is by using hashtags. So using specific hashtags will actually raise that video into those specific people's areas. Now, because I haven't experimented enough with TikTok to figure this out, I do know from the information I've read and I've researched so far that it's essential that you use hashtags and that you don't use more than 3 hashtags. Now, if you use something like Instagram, you're gonna know that using a lot of hashtags is typically a good thing. But with TikTok, it's a little bit differently. Even TikTok themselves has said that you shouldn't use more than 3 hashtags. You can use probably 4 if you want, but I would stick to around the number 3. Now, if you want more in-depth tutorial on using hashtags for TikTok, I can create a video like that, just comment down below. But my main advice for using hashtags is use something that's relevant or that's trending at the time. If you go to the Discover page when you're on TikTok, it shows up here on the banner all the different hashtags that are currently trending at the moment, either for that day or for that week. It just depends. It's always constantly changing on here. So it's important that you use hashtags for your video. If you actually want to see me optimize my video for TikTok as I'm experimenting and doing this, comment down below. Make a video, Daniel, come on. So make sure you're using hashtags, and I can do a more in-depth tutorial on optimizing your TikTok videos. Another important factor is, just like YouTube, it is key that you have amazing thumbnails. So you need that thumbnail to be able to look good. And my last little tip for you guys for using TikTok to grow your business online, the most popular videos I've noticed, and this is putting aside all the teasers and the other stuff I've talked about, are the ones that are typically around 10 to 15 seconds long. So I would not go further than that if you can, but if you do, just see how you can tap into your unique niche and see what people are responding to on your channel. So what experiments have I done with TikTok to actually see what's working? So I did a quick video last night, and I just made something super silly, just to give you guys an example of the potential of TikTok, so you can see what you can do with it. Let's check it out right now. So this is a video I did right here, and it's super slow, and it just says, wait for it, how I feel when I talk about YouTube. So it's super silly, it's just me rocking out over here. But looking at this video, I posted this, and within 20 minutes, I got 25 likes on my video. And this is, I didn't put too much planning into this, I just quickly threw something up. And looking at the video itself, you can see how many views people actually viewed this video. Now, this doesn't count the people that actually liked it, this counts how many people actually viewed it. I have 150 29 views on this video. So you can see that there's actually quite a lot of potential for TikTok, for your business, just making videos like this. Think about the potential here for driving traffic to your YouTube channel. This is 159 people. Now, I've seen people get better results than what I got, and I got this only within like 20 minutes of posting my video on TikTok. So think about that potential there. I'm gonna keep experimenting with TikTok and see what I can do to drive traffic to my YouTube channel, and I'll give you guys an update in the next few months to see how it can actually help me. So big shots, from everything I've talked to you about today, comment down below how you might actually use TikTok for your business. See you next time, big shots.